Welcome to my roundup of the top 5 best convection oven toasters of 2026, the ultimate lineup for compact kitchens, busy households, and anyone who wants versatile cooking power in a small footprint. Whether you're baking, roasting, air frying, or simply toasting bread, these ovens combine technology, convenience, and performance. Today's models feature multiple cooking modes, digital controls, sleek designs, and energy-efficient systems, giving you the confidence to prepare meals with ease. In this guide, I'll walk you through the top options available this year and help you choose the perfect convection toaster oven for your home. Check the description for the latest deals, and let's dive into the best compact ovens of 2026. Kicking things off with the Calphalon 1-1-in-1 Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo. The Calphalon 1-1-in-1 Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo is the multitasking marvel built for versatility. With 11 cooking functions, it handles everything from baking cookies to air frying chicken wings. I love how its quartz heating technology ensures even cooking, delivering crispy results without excess oil. Its large capacity fits a 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of bread, making it perfect for families. The sleek stainless steel design adds style to any kitchen, while the digital controls make operation simple. What makes Calphalon attractive is its adaptability. It's like having an oven, toaster, and air fryer all in one. For anyone who wants maximum versatility in a compact design, the Calphalon 1-1-in-1 is a fantastic option. Coming in next is the KitchenAid Dual Convection Countertop Oven. The KitchenAid Dual Convection Countertop Oven is the premium powerhouse built for serious cooks. With dual convection fans, it delivers faster, more even cooking, making it perfect for roasting meats or baking pastries. I appreciate its large capacity, which fits 2 12-inch pizzas or a full chicken. Its sleek design enhances any kitchen, while the digital display adds convenience. The included accessories, such as baking pans and racks, expand its versatility. What makes KitchenAid stand out is its professional-grade performance. It's trusted by chefs and home cooks alike for dependable results. For anyone who wants a countertop oven that rivals a full-size oven, the KitchenAid Dual Convection is a must-have. Turning our attention to the Naretva 6-in-1 Toaster Oven and Air Fryer. The Naretva 6-in-1 Toaster Oven and Air Fryer is the stylish option that blends modern design with practical performance. With 6 cooking functions, it handles baking, broiling, toasting, and air frying with ease. I love its retro-inspired design, which adds charm to any kitchen. Its compact size makes it perfect for small apartments, while the adjustable temperature settings add flexibility. The non-stick interior ensures easy cleanup, and the affordable price makes it accessible. What makes Naretva attractive is its focus on design. It's proof that appliances can be both functional and stylish. For anyone who wants a toaster oven that looks as good as it performs, the Naretva 6-in-1 is a delightful choice. Let's check out the Breville BMO 870 BSS Oven Combi. The Breville BMO 870 BSS Oven Combi is the high-tech marvel designed for precision. With its Element IQ system, it automatically adjusts heating for perfect results. I appreciate its multiple cooking functions, which include bake, roast, broil, and reheat. Its sleek stainless steel design adds elegance, while the large capacity makes it suitable for family meals. The digital controls and LCD display add convenience, and the durable build ensures long-term reliability. What makes Breville attractive is its innovation. It's trusted by professionals for delivering flawless results every time. For anyone who wants premium performance with smart technology, the Breville Oven Combi is the ultimate choice. Wrapping things up with the Elite Gourmet ETO4510M Convection Oven. The Elite Gourmet ETO4510M Convection Oven is the dependable everyday option for families. With its dual-door design, it offers flexibility for cooking multiple dishes at once. I love how its convection fan ensures even cooking, making it perfect for baking and roasting. Its large capacity fits 2 14-inch pizzas, while the adjustable temperature settings add versatility. The stainless steel design adds durability, and the affordable price makes it accessible. What makes Elite Gourmet attractive is its practicality. It's strong enough for family meals, yet compact enough for countertop use. For anyone who wants a reliable convection oven without overspending, the Elite Gourmet ETO4510M is a smart pick. All of these convection oven toasters bring something valuable to the table, depending on your cooking style and household size. The Calphalon 1-1-in-1 is perfect for versatile cooking with air frying included. The KitchenAid Dual Convection offers professional-grade performance for serious cooks. The Naretva 6-in-1 emphasizes stylish design with practical features. The Breville Oven Combi delivers premium innovation with smart heating technology. And the Elite Gourmet ETO4 510M stands out as the dependable option for family meals. When choosing a convection toaster oven, it's important to consider cooking functions, capacity, design, and ease of cleaning. Multifunction models add versatility, while larger capacities suit families. Sleek designs enhance kitchens, and non-stick interiors ensure easy cleanup. Budget-friendly models provide solid performance, while premium options deliver advanced features for serious cooks. That wraps up my top 5 best convection oven toasters of 2026. Whether you're cooking for yourself, preparing family meals, or experimenting with new recipes, there's a perfect toaster oven here for you. These appliances represent the best balance of convenience, versatility, and value, helping you prepare delicious meals with confidence. So, if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen, check the description below for the latest deals and grab the oven that fits your lifestyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more kitchen appliance reviews and buying guides. With the right convection toaster oven, you'll enjoy faster cooking, richer flavors, and the satisfaction of perfectly prepared meals. Power up your kitchen, simplify your cooking, and make every dish a success story.